Happy Sunday to ya. Happy Sunday to ya. I know I can't sing for save my life. But, you know how much people tell me I have a nice voice? No, only let me know in the comment section if you don't really think so. Because this voice that sounds so rough, sometimes I think me have a man voice. I have man harmony in me. My voice no sound rough, it no sound like a woman. So so much I wanna tell me about me have a nice voice. People are tell me me have radio voice. Papa Jesus, and think you go so? Me always see like my voice rough and coarse like for man. And for hear people are compliment me on it. Thank you very much. But it good when me can actually feel certain way and okay with it. Cause me think my voice very coarse. And if I say it coarse, me not feel no way because me know myself say it coarse. But when some people say, Dana, you know you have radio voice. Dana, you know you have a nice voice.